With rich manufacturing experience, our company has place in the world markets such as Europe, America, and Asia. You can rely on our reputation for reliable quality, innovative products, and styles. In addition, our competitive price and excellent service have helped us win the trust of more and more customers. We have an excellent team of engineers and a fully functional production line, and maintain a strict quality control system. Today, we are famous for our excellent quality, superior price and service, and even on-time delivery. Our skilled team members will work together to complete your order according to your exact specifications. Our product quality is recognized, and our products can pass the third-party test to ensure your smooth entry into the overseas market. Once you place an order, you can rest assured. Welcome to visit our company. We provide OEM and ODM. Please remember, we especially welcome your own design or samples.